If you're struggling with knee arthritis pain, you might think that resting is the best solution. But the truth is, the right kind of movement is actually the key to reducing pain and improving mobility. Today I'm going to show you 5 gentle exercises that can help relieve stiffness, build strength, and keep you moving with confidence. Knee arthritis happens when the cartilage in your joint wears down, leading to pain, stiffness, and inflammation. While that sounds discouraging, the good news is that movement is medicine, but only if you do it correctly. The exercises I'm about to show you are gentle, safe, and proven to help keep your knees strong without making the pain worse. Let's start with seated knee extensions. In a seated upright position, gently kick out, hold for a count of 3, and then lower back down with control. This is a great way to activate the quadriceps muscle, and this supports your knee without putting too much pressure on the joint. Make sure to lift with control, have a little squeeze of the muscle, and lower back down. Repeat 10 times per leg per side. All right, now let's do heel-toe raises. For this, you can do it in sitting or in standing. This exercise strengthens the lower leg muscles, which helps with balance and stability. You want to go as high as you can up onto the toes and then back onto your heels in order to loosen up the ankle joints and help with your balance. All right, next you're going to work on seated marches. This exercise helps loosen up the hip and the knee joint, which is essential for circulation and mobility when walking. Up and down with the knees, and what you're aiming for is to minimize the rocking back and forth and feel like the top half of you is stuck in one spot and the knees and hips are the only thing moving. Now let's do a modified squat. Don't be afraid of squatting, even if you have knee arthritis. When you do this correctly, it can actually help build strength and improve your knee function. So from a standing position, try a miniature bend and a stretch back up. Do the amount of movement that you know you can get back up from, and then, as you feel more confidence, you can add more range. Your knees will let you know when you've hit your max. Let's try one more. Bend, squeeze, and return to stand. Okay, our 5th exercise is a heel slide. This can be done in sitting or laying down. When you do your heel slide, you're aiming to pull your heel back as far as you can while sliding it along the ground. You're going to do 5 on each side, and you're going to switch it up with the amount of flexibility your knee will give you each time. All right, here are the 3 most common mistakes people make when they're doing their exercises. The first one is that they hold their breath because they're worried it's going to hurt. The second one is they do too deep of a squat. Don't worry, do as much as you feel like you can. And the final thing is avoiding doing anything because they're worried it's going to hurt. These exercises are simple, but when they're done consistently, they can make a huge difference in your knee pain and your mobility. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and you'll get more knee-friendly workouts. If you're looking for guided step-by-step exercise plans to relieve knee pain and build strength, check out my Knee Relief Network. It's an exclusive membership where I help people just like you regain the confidence and the activity that they've been missing. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.